Hey everyone, welcome back to Pixel Developer Today. We're diving deep into permission handling in Jetpack Compose. We'll cover how to request and manage permissions for camera, location, read media, images, videos, read, write, external storage, notifications. By the end of this video, you'll be able to implement a robust permission handling system in your Jetpack Compose app. So let's get started. Hey! Before we dive into today's video, I have something super exciting to share with you. In the coming days, I'll be launching a brand new app called JetShop, a fully functional e-commerce app built completely with Jetpack Compose. It's packed with all the latest tech: MVVM, Kotlin Flow, Hilt, Room Database, Firebase notifications, and so much more. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Now, there won't be a tutorial series for it, but I'll be dropping the full demo and complete source code on GitHub very soon. So please make sure to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Once we hit our milestone, I'll release all the video source code too. And hey, don't forget to follow me on GitHub to grab the source code as soon as it's out. All right, now let's jump into today's video. Permissions are crucial for protecting user privacy. Android requires apps to explicitly ask users for permissions before accessing sensitive data. From Android 10 Plus, storage access changed with scoped storage. From Android 13 Plus, permissions for media access are separate for images, videos, and audio. Let's now set up permissions in Jetpack Compose. Add all require permission into Android manifest. In this code, we create a mutable list of required permissions, including camera and location access. Then, we dynamically check the Android version to request media access. Read media images, read media video for Android 13 Plus or storage permissions. Read external storage, write external storage for older versions. Additionally, For Android 13 Plus, we also request the Post Notifications permission. Is permission progress tracks whether permission request is in progress, while show setting dialog determines if a settings dialog should be shown. Permission Launcher is an activity result launcher that requests multiple permissions using activity result contracts. Request multiple permissions. When permissions are requested, the result is stored in permission status, and permission progress is reset to false. If any permission is permanently denied, i.e., don't ask again, is checked, show setting dialog is set to true, prompting the user to open app settings. Initialize permissions on launch. Launched effect, unit. Iterates through the permissions list and updates permission status, checking if each permission is granted using context compat.check self permission. We have created a UI layout. A column is used to structure the UI, centered both vertically and horizontally, with padding for spacing. Display permissions status. A text heading Permissions Status is displayed, followed by a list of permissions and their current status using the permission status composable. Prevent multiple requests. The button is disabled while a request is in progress, ensuring multiple permission requests are not triggered simultaneously. Handle permanently denied permissions. If any permission is denied with "Don't ask again," Show Setting dialog is set to true, triggering a Settings Alert dialog. Show Alert dialog for settings. If Show Setting dialog is true, an alert dialog appears, informing the user that some permissions are permanently denied. Provide options in the dialog. The dialog contains two buttons. Open Settings opens the app settings via Open App Settings context. Cancel simply dismisses the dialog. Handle dialog. Dismissal. Clicking Cancel or Open Settings closes the dialog by setting Show Setting dialog to false. Composable function. Permission status is a composable function that displays the status of a specific permission. Permission name mapping. It maps system permissions, e.g. manifest.permission.camera, to user-friendly names like camera or location, fine. Determine status text color. If the permission is granted, the text is granted and uses the primary theme color. Otherwise, it is denied and uses the error color. Create a row layout. The UI is structured using a row to display the permission name and its status side by side. Modify row appearance. The row takes the full width with vertical padding of 8-dp for spacing. Display permission name status. A text component shows the permission name followed by a colon. And another text component displays the status with the appropriate color. Let's test the app by running it and ensure everything works fine. Oh, the UI doesn't look perfect. Let's add a colon for better readability and rerun the app. Now, we need to test multiple conditions as per the code logic. Key things we should test in the app to ensure everything works as expected. Ensure that when the screen loads, it correctly shows the current status, granted, denied, for each permission. If any permissions are not granted, the system permission dialog appears. If all permissions are already granted, it shows a toast message. All permissions granted. The button should be disabled while requesting permissions to prevent multiple clicks. All right, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. The complete source code is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or any questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, follow us on Instagram for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and coding tips. Thanks for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.